line and fall back now!
This entire cinematic film, every storyboard, every shot, every video clip cost me just 3,000 credits to make. And it is all high-resolution, final quality output. Before I show you how, quick heads up, OpenArt just launched a 40% off summer sale. Upgrade to Advance, Infinite, or Wonder before July 31st. And that discounted rate is locked in for the rest of the year on selected image and video models. Now let's start from a basic cinematic trailer idea and go step by step to the final output, so you can see for yourself whether this actually holds up. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. I will start in Claude with a simple text prompt asking for cinematic story ideas. Within a couple of seconds, we have a whole list of options. If none of these grab you, you can just ask for more, and here we have a fresh batch of ideas. I am going with this one for today's video. Now I will copy this story idea and head over to the OpenArt link in the description below. From here, I will choose Create Image under the Image tab. For the model, I am picking Nano Banana 2 Lite, since it is included in the sale discount. Next, I will click the description option and ask it to generate a 16-scene storyboard based on the story idea I just pasted in from Claude. I will set the aspect ratio to landscape, and you can see the discounted price right here. Hit Generate, and give it a couple of minutes. And here is our 16-shot storyboard. It looks great, but it's leaning a bit more animated than cinematic, so let's fix that. I will switch to the newer image model, bump the resolution up to 2K, and regenerate. Much better. This one has that cinematic look I am after, so I will download it and move on. Back in Claude, I will upload the storyboard image and ask it to break down each of the 16 scenes into individual shot prompts while keeping the character, setting, and environment consistent throughout the trailer. I will also ask it to include camera details in each video prompt. After hitting Generate, within a couple of minutes I have a full breakdown, character details, image style, and for every single shot an image prompt and a video prompt, complete with camera direction and scene transitions. Let's take the first shot prompt and head back to OpenArt's image creation tool. I will use the storyboard image as a reference and paste in the shot prompt. And here is our first shot. It matches the storyboard nicely. I repeated this same process for all 16 shots, and the results stayed consistent with the story throughout. One thing worth calling out: generating all 16 images only used 673 credits total. That's a fraction of what you would pay on most other platforms. Time for the video generation step. I will click Create, select the video option, and for the model, I am choosing Kling 3.0 Omni. I will drag in the scene image, paste in the video prompt, and set the duration and resolution based on how many credits I want to spend. Here is the output. It looks solid, though it leans a bit slow motion. Let's try another shot. But this time I will switch the model to Gemini Omni Flash to compare. Here is the Kling output. Again, you can see that slow motion quality. And here is the Gemini Omni Flash version. Noticeably better, in my opinion. So I generated the rest of the shots using Gemini Omni Flash. It costs a little more, but the results were worth it. So what do you think of these results? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't miss this limited time 40% off deal. The link is in the description, but remember, it ends July 31st. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.